Hi, my dear pharma friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Pharma Job Alert. My dear friends, here are the walk-in interview from Lupin. So let's go into the details. So the open positions are in production and packing departments for operators and officer. So the area is compression, coating, granulation, capsule filling. So coming to the eligibility or the qualification, ITI, Diploma or Bpharm with minimum 1 year of experience and up to 6 years of experience. The open position 2 is quality control analyst. The area of expertise is FPIP stability, HPLC, GC dissolution. The eligibility criteria is BSc, MSc, Bpharm with 1 to 6 years of experience. And coming to the next is technical and officer, primary and secondary packing. The eligibility criteria is ITI diploma with 2 to 6 years of experience. The date and time is 23rd July 9 a.m. onwards. The venue is the Red Maple Marshall Hotel, Rao Indoor. So these are the details, my dear friends. So please utilize the opportunity, and the required documents are mentioned here. What to carry. So please check those things. So the date is 23rd July, Sunday. Thank you.